Hello, J&M Reviews here, and today I am so excited to review this free sample provided by Colorfulkoala, and it's just so beautiful. It's called a chambray color, which is like a mix. It's a medium between blue and light gray. This is a size medium. This is a 25 inches inseam because I'm a 5 feet tall. So this is how it looks in the back, and I love it because it feels like a second skin. So it's super comfortable. It allows you to move freely, even if you have to like lunge or squat. My underwear is not showing. I can sweat in them, and they are super comfortable. It dries, is very cool. It has here the V design, and it's also high-waisted. So if you're looking to cover this part of your belly, this legging will do it. Also, it's made of lycra and polyester, and it's machine washable. I hope you enjoy them. I hope you love them as much as I do. They have a lot of colors. Have fun, and thank you for watching.